If you had just $1,000 to invest today, where should you put it? The stock market is full of opportunities, but picking the right stocks can be challenging. In this video, I'll reveal the top stocks to buy this month, stocks that have strong growth potential and can generate solid returns in the long run. And stay till the end, because I have a bonus stock pick that could surprise you. Welcome to my channel, where we simplify investing and help you make smart financial decisions. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the latest stock market updates and investment strategies. Now, let's dive into our top stock picks. Stock number 1, high growth tech stock. Our first pick is NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. NVIDIA is a leader in artificial intelligence, gaming, and cloud computing. The company has seen incredible growth, with its stock price increasing, but there's still room to grow. With the rise of AI, companies worldwide are investing billions in AI-powered solutions, and NVIDIA's powerful GPUs are at the center of this revolution. Analysts predict that NVIDIA's stock could hit predicted stock price in the next 12 months, making it a strong buy for long-term investors. Stock number 2, stable blue-chip investment. Our second stock pick is a stable, blue-chip company that has stood the test of time. Microsoft continues to dominate in cloud computing, AI, and enterprise solutions. But what makes Microsoft a solid investment isn't just growth, it's consistency. The company pays a reliable dividend and has a track record of long-term success. If you're looking for a stock that offers both stability and upside potential, Microsoft is a great choice. Stock number 3, bonus stock pick with hidden potential. Now, for our bonus stock pick, one that's been flying under the radar but has massive potential. That stock is Palantir Technologies. Palantir specializes in big data and artificial intelligence, working with government agencies and private corporations. With the AI boom, Palantir is in a prime position to grow significantly in the coming years. Recently, the company secured major contracts worth millions. If you're looking for an undervalued stock with high potential, Palantir is worth considering. So to recap, our top stock picks for this month are NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Palantir Technologies. These companies are leading in innovation, AI, and cloud computing, making them strong investment choices. But remember, the stock market always carries risks, so be sure to do your own research before investing. Which of these stocks are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest stock market updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.